Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax in Charleston off Daniel Island. We just received this 2022 Scout 215 XSF. This boat is sold. It was ordered for a customer of ours and they'll be taking delivery soon. But if you would like to come by and see this boat while it is still here, we'll be happy to take you through it, answer any questions you have. There are open production slots for Scout's 215 XSF for next season. This boat has the 200 horsepower Mercury 4-stroke, naturally aspirated engines, full hull black, midnight edition powder coating. You'll notice the new full solid glass windshield that comes with the hardtop option. If you have any questions, our number is 843-747-1889. Check us out online at MarineMax.com, and our store's address is 142 Sportsman's Island Drive. Take exit 23A off Highway 526 with a big yellow building right off the highway. Again, Carl Anderson, MarineMax Charleston. Thanks for watching.